Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dawn and this is Beauty and the Diabetes. In today's video, I'm unboxing a subscription box that is new to me, but it's been around for a little bit, I think about a year and a half, 2 years. And that is the American Influencer Beauty. This is the September box. This box was bi-monthly, but now it's monthly. So next month will be something different. I think it's ColourPop. But in the September box, which it's sold out, but I like to show what was in here so you can get an idea of what they do. Okay, open it up and you guys will see why I wanted this particular box. So in the theme for the month of September, well, the brand is Herbivore, and so I'm just gonna get into the products. They sent a card with what was in the box, and I believe they gave the values on each one that you would see right there. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in the box, so this is how they came. And I'll just grab the first one out that I can, that some people said they had a problem with when they were unboxing it, that it leaked all over the box, but it doesn't look like it has. It hasn't. It is the Cocoa Rose Coconut Oil Scrub. I've had a sample version of this, or a travel size, really tiny version. I liked it. I think it was a few years ago I got it, but try it again. The next item that other people also said they had a problem with was the Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask. I'll open it to see if there was any issue. They said there was a problem with the coloration, and whether or not it was good or had turned. And there's a little card in the top, and yeah, it didn't turn. It can run from different shades of blue all the way to this color of green. I'm going to open it and see if it smells. If it smells, then it's turned. Oh my god. No, it hasn't turned, but it has a little funky scent to it, which is Blue Tansy. The next one in here is the Beautissimo, which is supposed to be a retinol alternative. I know there were some issues with this as well. It was claimed that there wasn't as much retinol in there. It doesn't have retinol in there. The Beautissimo, and the claim was that it didn't even have that in there. But I think they reformulated it, and it does now. So open up the box, and that is the retinol alternative. I mean, I'm on tretinoin, so this one I would probably use something like this one. I've had this one before. It was travel size in one of the Detox Market boxes, and that is the La Peace facial oil. It says this oil holds a component called azulene, which is known to soothe dry or irritated skin, reduce the appearance of redness, and leave the skin feeling more balanced. And the last item is the Pink Cloud Rose Water plus Tremella Creamy Jelly Cleanser, and it is how many ounces? 3.3 ounces, and it says this dreamy pH balanced formula effectively cleanses, hydrates, and preps your skin for the rest of your skincare to work better. So I'm sure it is pretty good. I'm gonna open it and smell it. It smells good. This box is new, as I said before, so I'm looking forward to the next one. I think I need a couple before I can really make up my mind whether I like the box or not. That's all there is for this unboxing. I have another one that I'm doing with 2 boxes that I regularly subscribe to. This was new, so I wanted to do it on its own. But you guys let me know what you think in the comments below. And take care, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.